Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. If you're new to my channel, my name is Trina. I make videos mostly about skincare and I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel because I do upload a new video every week. I make a lot of videos about microcurrent, so if you are a fan of that topic, I have a private Facebook group. You can join that if you want to be a part of that community. It's a great community. And then I also have an Instagram channel where I post a lot of IGTV videos that I don't post here on YouTube, so follow me there if you want more content. So today's video is by popular request. I was getting a lot of requests all across my social channels on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube to do a micro needling tutorial. And I have this micro needling tool, or dermaroller as some people call it, from Gin Amber Beauty. It says it has 192 real individual needles and it is 0.5 millimeter. So let's get right into the tutorial. So I filmed the intro for this video in my studio and now I'm actually in another location to do the tutorial portion of this video because when I'm in my studio filming, I'll often just use a makeup wipe to clean my face off just for a video that I'm making, and I think we all know by now that makeup wipes do not get your face very clean. They get off some of the makeup, but then they just smear whatever is left over all over your face. And when you're doing microneedling, you need to make sure that your skin is very, very, very clean. I think that's one of the reasons why microneedling can go wrong when you do it at home, is because people aren't being very sanitary. They're not starting with a really clean face. So I have washed my face a couple times. I've washed my hands. I tried to keep the area as clean as possible. And I think we're all in that mindset right now with the pandemic of being really, really clean. I can't stress that enough, that you really need to have clean skin. Don't have any makeup on your face. I have no makeup on, no mascara, no nothing, because if a mascara piece flakes off and gets onto your skin and then you roll it into your skin with the microneedling tool, you could get an infection, you could have all kinds of problems. So just make sure that your skin is really, really clean before you start. I just wanted to talk through a few reasons why it took me so long to make this video. People have been asking me to make this dermarolling or microneedling tutorial, and it took me a long time to make it because it's a very controversial topic. And with all of the research that I've done, all of the reading I've done, all of the videos I've watched, I found that there are many ways that microneedling can go wrong. And just to be really transparent, I'm not a licensed esthetician. I am certified to do microcurrent, but I'm not certified to do microneedling, but I am gonna show you an at-home microneedling tool that anyone can use. Many dermatologists and estheticians will say, never do microneedling at home. So many things can go wrong. And I think number one is that if you don't clean your skin properly or you don't clean the device properly, it can go really wrong. And I'm gonna clean my face off with this Cleanse before I get started. This is an antiseptic, antimicrobial skin cleanser that I just happen to have at home. You can use a cotton round and clean your face off with some rubbing alcohol. I know rubbing alcohol is really hard to come by these days during the pandemic. I've tried to find some at the store many, many times over the past few months and I haven't been able to find it, so I'm really glad that I do have this Cleanse. Other reasons it can go wrong: you could be using the wrong size needle for your skin. You could be using it too frequently. The tool that I have today says you can do it once a week. You could be using it too long in one setting. You could be using it on a skin condition where you really shouldn't be microneedling. Like if you have an open sore, don't use a microneedling tool over that open sore. Other ways it can go wrong is if you're not taking care of your skin properly while you're doing microneedling. What I like to do is just treat my skin really, really, really gently. I know there's a lot of you watching that are avid microcurrent users, and I am in the maintenance mode of my microcurrent device. I use mine every other week, so twice a month. And 7E Wellness is the company that makes the MyLift Mini. That's my favorite microcurrent device. And their protocol says that yes, you can do microneedling after microcurrent. So if you are gonna do them in the same day, make sure you do the microcurrent first and then the microneedling after. I personally wouldn't do them on the same day. I'm really, really careful with my skin and I just don't want to take the chance of hurting my skin or irritating my skin or having a bad reaction. I don't want to use any harsh ingredients. I don't want to use any actives. Usually the same day that I'm doing microneedling. So if I'm gonna be doing my microneedling, just use a really gentle cleanser. Don't use any actives like retinol, don't use an AHA or BHA like glycolic acid or salicylic acid. Just be really, really gentle with your skin. You can use peptides, you can use hyaluronic acid. And I know that dermatologists and estheticians will recommend that you do microneedling at night because you're able to go to bed and let your skin heal and restore itself overnight. Also, you don't really want to be out in the sun after you've done microneedling, because what you're doing with microneedling is you're actually putting small holes, you're puncturing your skin with these needles all over your face. You are forcing your skin to produce collagen and elastin to heal itself. So if you're injuring your skin, you don't want to then just go out into the sun. So I would say do it at night. Make sure that you use really gentle skincare. I'm going to go over all the skincare that I use after microneedling. Today I just used a really, really gentle facial cleanser from Derma-E. It's their CBD calming facial cleanser. And then I'm going to use the HibaCleanse to really disinfect my skin. And then afterwards I've got some products I'm going to show you what I use. This particular microneedling tool here, this is from Gin Amber Beauty, and she actually reached out to me to send me this tool, and I did a lot of research on her website and her YouTube channel, and she is so adorable. She is so obsessed with microneedling. She's found really great success in healing a lot of her acne issues on her skin, and I really recommend that you go check out her website, go check out her YouTube channel. I'll go leave links below. She was so passionate about microneedling that she created her own microneedling tools. She's a licensed esthetician, and I think that she was finding that when people were doing microneedling at home, they were finding tools that weren't real needles, or they were using the wrong size, or they just were misinformed and they were running into problems. And so on her website, it's so great. She has a chart that you can go look at. I'll put it up on the screen. I'll leave a link to it down below. You can see what size needle should you use and for what concern, how often, and it says it right on the box too. I love how it gives you the instructions right here. It says to use it a maximum of 10 times before you throw it away. I just really like that she realized that people are not going to stop doing microneedling at home, and so she took it upon herself to create tools that were safe and to create a lot of educational content to help everybody out there that wants to do microneedling at home. And microneedling is great for healing acne scars. It's great for hyperpigmentation. It's great for fine lines and wrinkles. And I think the reason why microneedling is so popular despite the risks is because this is $29 on Gin Amber's site. And if you go to the dermatologist or the esthetician on a regular basis, we all know that it's very, very expensive to get this done in an office. And a lot of us just don't have that kind of money. So if this is $29 and I use it 10 times, that's like $3 per treatment that I'm doing at home. So it's a really effective way to see some great anti-aging results as long as you do it the right way. So this right now, this tool, it's still in the package. Like I didn't even open it. I was freaked out to like open it. I wanted to keep it really, really clean, but I'm gonna open it for you right now. It comes in this nice little case, and I'm gonna get up real close and show you the needles. So even though this is the first time that I've opened it from its package, as you saw I just did, I'm still gonna spray it with alcohol because I wanna make sure it's really, really clean. So I'm just gonna spray it and make sure that it's really clean, and I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes here. I'm going to next use this HibaCleanse. I'm gonna take a cotton round and I'm just gonna clean my face and my lips too, because Gin Amber says you can do your lips. And I'm also gonna clean my neck, you guys, because you can do microneedling on your neck. So I should be doing an upward sweeping motion to fight gravity. If you've never used microneedling before and you're nervous about the pain, Gin Amber sells a numbing cream on her site that you can use to put all over your face and neck to make it more comfortable for you, especially as you're moving up to a longer needle. It might be really helpful. I'm gonna start with the forehead area, then I'm gonna do the eye area, then I'm gonna do the cheeks, and then I'm gonna do around the mouth. I'm gonna try to do my lips. I don't know if I'll be able to handle it. Then the chin area, and then I'm gonna do my neck area, and then that's it. Should only take like 5 or 10 minutes to get through the whole routine. And what you wanna do is you're just going to roll it up, then roll it sideways, and then you're gonna do crisscross. And you wanna do it 4 to 5 times in each area you're doing it. So I'm gonna start here on my forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I have to sneeze. Whew. Woo! And your skin is gonna get red, you guys, but don't worry about it. Now I'm gonna go to the next area and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! If you're sneezing, that's normal. I have done this only one time before, you guys, and I don't think the needles were this long, so I definitely feel it. Now I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go sideways. I'm gonna do my right hand. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it in one area, like I'm rolling it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want to drag it along your face. Like, be really careful with your face. Don't drag it, just keep it in one line, back and forth. You can go one way and pick it up, but I'm going back and forth. You also want to use medium pressure. So you don't want it to be so light that you can't feel it because you're scared, but you don't want to do it too hard. So now I'm going to do the crisscrosses. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to do the other side. My nose is totally running and I've been sneezing. Three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. My forehead is done. My forehead's really, really red, but that's to be expected. You are puncturing small holes into your skin. Now I'm gonna do the crow's feet area. I'm gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crisscross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crisscross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll do the other eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crisscross. Now I'm going to do the cheek area, and I'm just going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do the crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do the other cheek. And then one area I forgot to mention is you can do your nose area, which is great if you have enlarged pores around your nose like I do, or you have blackheads. It can be really helpful for that. So I'm just gonna run it over the nose here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna try to go diagonal. It's kind of hard to get in the nose area. And then I'm gonna try to do the upper lip area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! That hurts, you guys. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna do the jaw area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna try to do crisscross. And I'm gonna do the chin. And then finally I'm gonna do this part of my face here, my jaw here. Now, Jen Ember says you can do your lips. Let me see if I can handle it. Woo, that hurts. That would be good for lip plumping. Let's see if I can do a few more. Woo. I can handle it. No pain, no gain for beauty, right? Now I'm gonna do my neck. I'm gonna go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna do just this area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm gonna do crisscross on my neck. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crisscross on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it, you guys, I'm done. You can see my face is super, super red. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the microneedling tool, I'm gonna spray it down with a bunch of alcohol here, make sure I've got it in all the places. If you have any rubbing alcohol that you can pour over it, over a sink to really clean it, that would be great. I'm really, really trying to hoard this because it's the last alcohol I have. And then I'm gonna set it in the case to let it dry before I close it so I can use it the next time. And now for skincare. Because I've punctured my skin with all these tiny little holes, I'm gonna give it some hyaluronic acid to really get deep into the pores and to start the healing process. So this is from Go Pure. It's one of my favorite hyaluronic acid products. Just gonna take some of this and I'm just gonna apply it. And it feels so good. My skin is definitely red. It definitely feels raw, but it feels really good to put the hyaluronic acid on. I don't want to be shy. I want to make sure I put a lot in and like tap it in. And the next thing you can do is a sheet mask. I grabbed a sheet mask that I really love. This is by Rail because this is a clean beauty brand. And when you are putting any skincare on your face after you do microneedling, you want to make sure that it's really clean, non-toxic. This one doesn't have any alcohol, it doesn't have any artificial fragrance or parfum, it doesn't have any PEGs, it doesn't have anything that's going to irritate your skin. So you can do this for a few minutes to really get that serum deep into your skin. That's what I'm gonna do. And then lastly, I'm gonna finish my skincare routine with this Jen Ember Beauty 10% vitamin C plus squalane repair cream. And then I'm just gonna let my skin relax. I'm gonna go to bed, I'm gonna sleep on it, and tomorrow I'm gonna make sure that I use an SPF 50 and I'm gonna reapply every 2 hours because my skin is gonna be extra sensitive after doing microneedling. So that is it, you guys, for my microneedling tutorial today. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below if you've done microneedling and what size needle do you use, what kind of results have you seen, what are you using it for? And if you're using microneedling in conjunction with your microcurrent routine, make sure to join my private microcurrent group on Facebook and let us know what you're doing, what's working and whatnot, because we're all really obsessed with skincare tools and skincare devices in that group. So I would love to hear from you there. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next week. Bye.